Hello everyone, today we're doing a taste test of the Better Than Popeyes chicken burger by Cooking with Christal. There's going to be a link to the cookbook in the description, so go check that out. But we're going to go right into this here. There's lettuce, some special sauce, we got a big bun here, and the chicken, which the texture on this stuff is amazing. So
Absolutely. I got some tomato on mine. Absolutely, a must.
So let's go right into this. Amazing. Look at the texture. There's so much in that. And that's so good.
If I could eat this every day, I would. I would.
So it's got like a really nice texture on the outside. She made these by, well, the answer is in the cookbook. So go check that out. Can't reveal any of the secrets in how this was made, but the chicken tastes amazing. So I skimmed out and I didn't put a lot of sauce on this. I'm trying to go for like the lower calorie version. But I think you should definitely go with more sauce on this because there's a whole lot of stuff on it. So good though. Like the crunchy exterior, super good. We'll have one more bite and then we'll give our like final review and final thoughts on this. So good.
It's so good, I'm at a loss for words, actually. I don't know what to say. I just want to keep eating it.
Oh, amazing. So that doesn't taste like it's unhealthy. This was air fried and it's got like that same taste as as Popeyes, but without upsell the calories and the unhealthy fats and all that kind of stuff that comes with a food like that.
It's definitely has like a super crunch, like a very like typical like Popeyes, KFC, like deep fried chicken, like a nice crunch that you like, but it's not deep fried.
So even better. This is like a 10 out of 10 chicken burger. Amazing.
No. It's from a 1 to 10, it's a Better Than Popeyes chicken burger.
And that's the name. So you can check this burger out in the Cooking with Christal cookbook. I'll be putting a link in the description and you can go check that out. Really good. Thank you for watching.